I've had people tell me that I run the track loader like a paintbrush. I had a young man tell me I could just sit and watch you run that all day. We grew up on a dairy farm. I have not moved away. I could see my home right out my window. The values that I grew up with was you got up every morning and you took care of what you're supposed to take care of. The animals depended on you to complete the job. They're depending on you to do it correctly, to do it efficiently, and do it right. You can't half-ass it. When we was growing up, my older brother always got to do all the cool stuff as far as drive the tractors and help Dad out on everything, and I always was jealous that he always got to go out there and do it, so I would follow him around like a puppy dog because I always wanted to do all the fun boy stuff us girls didn't really get to participate much in. You're gonna need it to pop them out? I don't like somebody saying you can't do something because I'm gonna dang sure try, that's for sure. The thing I'm most proud of is I've learned how to become the operator I am on my own. I also feel like when I come to work, I don't come just for the paycheck. I enjoy every day that I get to sit in that equipment. The biggest thing I like about Bobcat equipment is the ergonomics. A lot of times you're in a piece of equipment 9 to 10 hours a day, and it's about comfort. Some men won't even acknowledge I was the boss. You know, I don't care what they think of me as far as, are you good enough to run a man's job? You can still be a woman and be an operator. It's fun. There's no reason to be scared of something that is considered a man's world. Just get in there and try it.